Ever been driving along and your car suddenly starts shaking, sputtering, or just loses all its power? It's a scary feeling, and one of the most common culprits is a failing ignition coil. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 symptoms of a bad ignition coil. This is a super common repair, and knowing these signs can save you a trip to the mechanic and a big bill. Let's get into it. Okay, symptom number 1, and it's the most obvious: your car won't start. You turn the key, you hear the starter motor cranking away, but the engine just won't fire up. It sounds like roo 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 roo, but never actually catches. This is a classic sign. If the ignition coil is completely dead, it can't create the spark needed to ignite the fuel in the cylinders. No spark, no boom, no go. Symptom number 2 is probably the most common: engine misfiring and a rough idle. This feels like the engine is stumbling, shaking, or vibrating way more than usual, especially when you're stopped at a red light. You might also feel a noticeable loss of power when you press the gas pedal. This happens because the bad coil isn't delivering a strong enough spark to one or more cylinders, so that cylinder doesn't fire when it's supposed to. Your check engine light will almost certainly be on for this one, often flashing to get your attention. Number 3 might surprise you: your gas mileage suddenly gets worse. If a cylinder isn't firing because of a weak spark, that unburned fuel just gets sent right out through the exhaust system. You're literally paying for gasoline that your engine isn't even using. So if you find yourself filling up way more often for no apparent reason, a faulty ignition coil could be to blame. Symptom number 4 involves some scary noises and smells, backfiring, and a smell of gasoline. Remember that unburned fuel we talked about? Well, if it gets dumped into the exhaust system, it can sometimes ignite in the exhaust, causing a loud popping or banging sound. That's a backfire. You might also smell raw gasoline from the exhaust because it's not being burned properly in the engine. This is a clear sign something is wrong with the combustion process. And finally, symptom number 5. Your car stalls or has a serious lack of power. A weak coil might work okay when the engine is cold, but fail as it heats up. This can cause the engine to suddenly cut out and stall, especially when you're idling or coming to a stop. Or when you try to accelerate, especially up a hill, the car just has no guts. It feels sluggish and unresponsive. Now, a quick pro tip: many modern cars have one coil per spark plug. So if one fails, you might only experience these issues in one cylinder. Older cars with a single coil pack, if that fails, the whole engine stops working. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, the next step is to get the check engine light codes read. A code like P0300 random misfire or P0301 misfire cylinder 1 will point you right to the problem. Fixing a bad ignition coil is often a very straightforward DIY job. If you're comfortable, it usually just involves unplugging an electrical connector, removing one bolt, and swapping the old coil for a new one. So, did we miss any symptoms? Have you dealt with a bad coil before? Tell us about your experience in the comments below. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple car repair tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.